Hey guys, today on the Junkyard D channel we're going to be cleaning up the pontoons. If you ever had pontoons that got the water marks and stains and things that you can't get out, this is what I use. And it's from Napa. It's an aluminum brightener, and boy does she clean up these pontoons. So we're going to spray some of this on and let you see how it works. Read the directions. You don't want to get this stuff in your hands, eyes, and on paint because it will eat the paint. It's some pretty potent stuff. They say you can delete it. I like to put it on full force. So I use a little spray bottle, spray it on, let it sit for a while, do some light scrubbing if you need to, but you should be able to just rinse it off and it comes pretty darn clean. So stick around, check it out. I like to do it in sections, a little at a time, so it doesn't dry out, and it just gives it a little bit of time to clean up. So we let it sit for, I think it says 30 to 60 seconds. Usually a little bit, that foaming action, you can see that it's reacting with the aluminum and cleaning it up. We'll let it sit for a little bit, and then scrub a little bit on it, rinse it off, and then just keep moving down the panel. Okay, as you can see, it's foaming up again. I like to use a brush, and this is like a scouring pad. I don't want to use a steel wool because it can leave swirl marks in there, but this happens to be a brush and a Scotch-Brite pad built in at the same time. So let it sit. Now as you can see, I put some towels over the tires because, like I say, this stuff is pretty potent. If it gets on any of the paint, it will eat it away. Ask me how I know. So if it drips down on your rims, it could do some damage if they're chrome or painted or other finishes. It's just for aluminum, so keep that in mind. If you have any questions, read the bottle. It tells you all about it. Don't get the stuff in your eyes or on your hands. Directions, instructions are on the bottle. Okay, I got this side done. As you can see, got all the stain marks off. If you really wanted to, you could hit it a second time if you've got a really tarnished tune or aluminum, whatever you may be working on. But it does dry to a kind of a dull finish, so if you do have a clear coat or anything on there, it would take that off too. So just be cautious, maybe test in an inconspicuous place if you like. But that's the way I do it. Like I say, read the bottle for instructions and give it a shot. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below. And always remember, wear your PPE, aka your goggles. See you on the next one.